In September 2024, a wave of excitement swept through Chhapora, a small nondescript village in Chhattisgarh's Sakti district. Because for the first time ever, the villagers were getting their own branch of the State Bank of India, India's largest public sector bank.
Now we don't have to travel and waste our day to go to the bank.
I'll apply for a loan and open a shop selling bangles.
I can easily deposit my money now.
The bank officials had rented a 1,000 square foot commercial space from a local resident for 7,000 rupees a month. A professional setup followed. SBI's logo adorned the entrance. And inside were counters, desks, computers, and even a dedicated manager's cabin in this small village branch. To the villagers, this was no less than a miracle. Then came the cherry on top for young people preparing for government jobs. When the bank sahibs announced,
सुनो सुनो गांव वालों, आपके लिए खुशखबरी है. बैंक का स्टाफ गांव वालों के नौजवान से ही भरा जाएगा.
dozens of unemployed youths, many from surrounding districts as well, jumped at the opportunity. Among them was 25-year-old Pintu Dhurve, a BA graduate, yet jobless. With this new SBI branch, his friend sister Renuka Sahu egged him on.
तू फॉर्म भर, बाकी नौकरी का मैं देख लूंगी.
To the applicants, the process seemed meticulous, with proper interviews conducted.
Training will be in this branch. If you're good, you will be given a job at the Raipur branch.
6 candidates received offer letters with salaries ranging from 25 to 30,000 rupees a month, and job titles such as managers, marketing officers, cashiers, and computer operators. Then their educational documents and biometric data was collected as part of the onboarding process. And finally, an ID card was given to each of them. The new branch opened with much fanfare and all seemed very pleased. But something was off. While Pankaj saw the bank manager would arrive at 10 a.m. sharp, he would leave the office by noon in just a couple of hours. And the new employees were never given any training either.
Just browse the SBI website, you will learn the task easily.
Leaving these youngsters befuddled.
करना क्या है हमें भाई?
Even when villagers came in for banking services,
खाता कब खुलेगा?
the employees were asked to give them excuses.
Only after the server is installed next month.
And the villagers had to leave disgruntled every single time. The pathetic service almost seemed like that meme which shows lazy SBI employees and their red tape. But a few days later, things got worse as Pankaj sir eventually stopped coming in at all. And suspicion started growing among the villagers even as their dream was unraveling. Was this SBI branch even legitimate? What happened to the new employees? Subscribe to Bisbo, press the bell icon for notifications, and we will get to the root of the matter. With services still not starting, the villagers were now getting impatient and regularly crowding outside the bank. It was then that an educated local lad, Ajay Kumar Agarwal, sensed trouble.
Why hasn't there been any official announcements about this branch?
He knew the importance of banking and had already applied to open a SBI kiosk in his village. When he went to inquire about the status of his application, the employees were left dumbfounded. Tell me, what is the branch code? Only the manager knows. Ajay was sharp and reported the matter to SBI officials in the nearby Dabra district branch, who immediately contacted the police, who quickly raided this mysterious Chhapora branch, seized computer systems and hard drives, finding that documents and seals were fraudulently stolen from SBI's Raipur branch. Worse, questioning of employees revealed that it was a freaking job scam, as each employee had paid between a 2 to 6 lakh rupee bribe to secure their job positions. Heck, even the security guard was found to be a local college student in uniform. Pintu Dhurve, one of the victims, had borrowed 5.8 lakh from moneylenders to secure his position. Now faced not only financial ruin, but also endless shame for a 10-day fake job. My whole family is in shock. It feels like someone has died. Remember the friend's sister Renuka, who advised Pintu to fill the form for the job? She, along with Pankaj, are the kingpins of the scam and have now vanished into thin air. The police did manage to arrest one of their accomplices and also seized his I-20 car that was bought from the scam money, but the others are still absconding. This, though, is not the first time something like this has happened. 4 years ago in Tamil Nadu's Cuddalore district, a son of a former SBI employee got computers, lockers, challans and forged documents through his contacts in SBI and set up a similar fake branch there. However, this story isn't just about a fake bank. It's a stark reminder of the desperation in rural India where people cling to any hope of a better future. Though how could such a scam unfold in broad daylight? Where were the local authorities, the panchayat and the police for 10 days? The villagers were lucky. The scammers never collected deposits or issued loans. Otherwise, they could have been even more badly duped. But the consequences were devastating for new employees who went from government job aspirants to now working as part-time laborers. So stay vigilant and question everything, because sometimes what glitters isn't gold. Bisbo's limerick. The people were thrilled with a bank in their midst, but little did they know that kahani may twist. It was all a big scam in the guise of glam, being robbed of their savings they just about missed. You will also find these sources listed in our video description section.